Welcome to Sassy Clover. We explore everything from mystical treasures, beautiful crystals, and spiritual vibes. Whether you're a crystal enthusiast or new to the craft, or just curious about the metaphysical world, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through different properties of different crystals, how you can use them, and how they can actually transform your life. You'll learn crystal healing, manifestation tips, and how to enhance your spiritual practice. I'll also share practices like sound healing, divination, cleansing, spell work to help empower you to manifest abundance, love, and success into your life. So if you're ready to dive into the world of magic, crystals, and spiritual growth, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and join our Sassy Clover community. Thanks for stopping in. I can't wait to connect with you on this magical, mystical journey.